Hello, everyone. Currently, the global salmon farming industry has an output of about 2.5 million tons per year. This nutritious fish is not only popular, but also appears in a variety of dishes, from delicate sushi, delicious grilled fillets, to rich smoked salmon. But to bring the freshest salmon to consumers' tables, the journey must go through an extremely strict processing procedure with many meticulous and careful steps. Join us to explore the comprehensive process, from farming to processing and packaging, to better understand the modern technology behind every piece of salmon you enjoy. Salmon, a seafood with high economic and nutritional value, is always appreciated for its characteristic flavor and the health benefits it brings. Salmon meat is soft, fatty, and is an abundant source of omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, and other essential nutrients. Salmon is loved not only for its delicious taste but also for its excellent nutritional value, especially its high content of omega-3 fatty acids that help strengthen cardiovascular health, reduce inflammation, and improve brain function. In cuisine, salmon is a national ingredient in Japanese sushi and sashimi dishes, or grilled, pan-fried, and even salads in different cuisines. Each preparation method gives salmon a distinct flavor and diverse eating experience. The journey of salmon begins with large coastal farms, where salmon are raised in floating cages in the open sea. These farms strictly adhere to environmental and biosafety standards. The floating cage system with nets helps protect fish from natural threats such as birds of prey or large fish, while allowing fish to grow naturally in the best conditions. The salmon here are fed a nutritious diet, which helps them grow healthy and have bright flesh color. When the salmon reaches optimal size, the harvesting process begins. This is one of the most important stages, requiring the coordination between workers and specialized machinery systems. The salmon are carefully harvested to avoid stressing the fish, thereby maintaining the freshness of the meat. Immediately after being caught, the salmon are quickly cooled to a temperature below 0 degrees Celsius to keep the fish fresh during the transportation to the processing plant. At the processing plant, the salmon is processed through a closed and modern process. First, the fish are cleaned, then go through preliminary steps such as cutting off the head, gutting, and scaling. This process requires high skills from skilled workers to ensure that the fish is not damaged during the preliminary processing. The fish are then passed through an automatic filter to remove bones and impurities, resulting in fresh, clean fillets. The quality of salmon is determined not only by the farming and harvesting stages, but also by the strict quality control process at the factory. Each salmon undergoes a thorough inspection to ensure there are no signs of disease or harmful substances. The inspection steps include visual and sensory inspections, as well as scientific analysis methods, such as microbiological and chemical testing in the laboratory. This helps ensure that the salmon meets all food safety standards before reaching consumers. After the quality inspection, the salmon is cut into beautiful fillets. This is one of the stages that requires the highest precision and technique. The fillets must be cut delicately to ensure that there are no remaining bones and maintain a beautiful shape while optimizing the meat. Modern factories use automated cutters to ensure that the salmon pieces are uniform in size, minimizing waste and ensuring consistent quality. The next step is packaging, where the salmon is stored in a vacuum or modified atmosphere technology, MAPI. This method helps keep the salmon fresh for a long time without the use of artificial preservatives. The use of advanced packaging technology not only prolongs the shelf life of the product, but also protects the salmon from bacteria and external environmental factors, ensuring that when you open the package, the fish is still as fresh as when you just cooked it. Packaging is not only about preserving the product, but also about choosing environmentally friendly materials that meet current sustainability standards. Manufacturers are always trying to minimize the negative impact on the environment by using recycled materials and reducing emissions during transportation. Once packaged, the salmon is refrigerated at the ideal temperature before being shipped to supermarkets, restaurants, or exported around the world. Thanks to the advancement of technology and modern processes, the salmon processing industry has grown strongly, not only improving productivity, but also ensuring better product quality. Salmon is not only a nutritious dish, but also an endless source of inspiration for chefs and food lovers around the world. From traditional dishes to creative dishes, salmon always brings diversity and richness in cuisine. All stages from farming, harvesting, processing to packaging are carried out with a common goal: bringing consumers the freshest and safest pieces of salmon. When you enjoy a piece of salmon, it is not just a dish, but also the result of a complex chain of processes, with a combination of modern technology and the dedication of thousands of people. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Hopefully, through this video, you have gained more useful knowledge about modern technology and the efforts behind each piece of high-quality salmon. If you like our content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss other interesting videos about the food industry and agricultural technology. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.